Anybody want to go fishing?
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
Yes, sir. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And the other day, I was just on my phone, on the sneaker app. I hit something, started scratching the wind, and then I just kept hearing like some fishing music. And I looked, and these bad boys were sitting there. I scrolled down, did another scratch, and then the black ones were sitting there. I didn't even know these sneakers were coming out. I had no even thought of them. But today we have an early review. Yes, sir. The Gone Fishing Nike Dunks in that photon dust colorway that Nike has been trying to just give us for years, man. I don't know if y'all phone posit heads, but I got a lot of clothes. I had the Gone Fishing colorway, and I think that was the last colorway that just gave it away for phone posit, where it was like, that's it, they coming out too much. And I just hope that don't happen with the Dunk. But in my hand here is a dope pair of a dope Dunk, and it represents fishing in a million different ways, man. I don't want to talk too much. Like I said, it's an early review. So let's get this 4K exclusive video to y'all so you can see if you want to pick it up on release date or not. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So like I said, it's not an SB. It does have a theme, but it is a regular Dunk. So that's why you get that dark orange or light red Nike box that we see on regular Dunks. Being that it is part of the Gone Fishing joint that Nike been doing for the last maybe 10 years, it should have been a fish or something on the box, but it's something inside the box. We'll get into that later. So it reads Nike Dunk Low Retro SE Photon Dust Light Silver. So like I said in the beginning, you flip open, you don't have your regular tissue paper, guys. Nike did give us something special. We got water waves, and the Nike logo looks like it's in bubbles on the water. Super dope. I like that touch. And you don't just get it on one side. It's actually wrapped on both sides. And then under that, you get the white tissue paper. And let's start with the left shoe. Yes, sir. So here's a 360 view of the Gone Fishing Photon Dust colorway. And in a minute I'll tell you why I went with this one and not the other colorway. At first glance, this looked like, to me, I forget what's the light blue and dark blue Dunk called. I did review it. I'll put it up there if I remember. But it looks like a mix of that and anything the Passport Dunks were trying to do. That's what I get here. The Passport Dunks in a nutshell. But the number one thing, when I first pulled it out the box, guys, if y'all look in here, y'all can see it. I thought mine came cut. But if you look, it looks like a fishing hook. It even looks like a fish head with the gills there. Either way, it has something to do with fishing, and I think it's a dope touch. If you look close, it's a fish scale look play on the Nike swoosh, which is super dope. And it represents Gone Fishing to the fullest. The reason why I was talking about the Passport Dunks is right here. The Passport Dunks were known for this mesh math graph material looking on a toe box instead of the leather. So that's why it gave me those vibes. On top of this, man, you have this UNBOX suede. It looks like I don't want to say rusty. It looks rugged, but it's clean, man. Nice material there. And you kind of get that all through the sneaker. You have that scale material toe box. Then you have the nubuck suede scale material again. And then you got the nice fish scale swoosh I showed you. On the inside, you also have a nice fish scale swoosh, but it doesn't have that hook cut off part right there like we have here. Also dealing with the fish scale reptile amphibian look, you have on the back where the nice Nike logo OG is. You also have some of that fish material there. And then you got that blue into that photon dust again, nubuck suede at the back. More Gone Fishing, fish in general logos. On the tongue instead of your regular classic Nike Air there, you have a fish there and it reads 1972 Nike Beavertown. On the back is where you get the regular Nike logo. So a nice change on play. Remember guys, this is the left side. And the inside you also have a fish there, the same 1972 Beaverton fish and a nice baby blue inside. The bottom, that's where you get your photon dust. But if you look at this sneaker, it looks more of a baby blue more to you than photon dust. And baby blue is a good word because you're talking about the ocean, you're talking about fishing. This is the right shoe here. Nothing's changed, guys. I thought maybe the Nike and fish logo will reverse here, but nothing's changed. Even the inside logo is the same. But again, it's a Nike Dunk and not a Nike SB. So that I really didn't expect extra shoelaces or things of that nature. You got like an off-white, close to like a light yellow shoelaces here. I want to say yellow, guys. I think I'm going to go like a vanilla banana yellow here. I'm kind of like weirded out that Nike didn't make this a SB. I mean, they do the Gone Fishing thing I told y'all like for the last 10 years because Nike's original town is Beaverton, Oregon, and I guess there's nothing to do there but fish. But I was wishing these would have been an SB. But nonetheless, I know Dunks are coming out crazy. This is a good pair, guys. Not a glue stain. Same price range as a Dunk. They didn't charge you extra for the fish scale and the things of that nature. So I really think this is a steal if you could get this for retail. I think I paid $100 plus tax, $110 from the sneakers app on that whole scratch thing last week. I did see them on StockX for $130, $140, even $115, depending on size. So they out there, man. I don't know the release date yet, guys. I don't know the release date, but I like these sneakers, man. Let me know in the comment section below if you looking to cop. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.